Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical process for anyone involved in land surveying or geodetic engineering, correcting the technical descriptions of a land holding. Let's walk through this step by step. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. The first step is gathering all the necessary data. You'll need lot data computations, lot descriptions, narrative or tabular technical descriptions, titles, or any other documents with bearings, distances, or coordinates. This information is crucial for encoding and verifying the technical descriptions. Step 2. Next, we run the LDC to ODs tool. This tool will help us encode and analyze the data efficiently. Make sure you have your documents ready, and let's get started.
With precision and care, we'll ace this test.
Step 3. Copy the second to the last row and fill in the rows according to the number of corners of the landholding. This ensures that all the corners are accounted for in the analysis.
South and north, type 0 in the code. West and east, type 90 as well.
Step 4. Now, let's encode the necessary information. Name of claimant in cell F6. Geodetic engineer in cell R6. Title number in cell R8. Lot and survey number in cell W6. Area in cell X8.
Minimal change, stay close to the gathered data, no rearrange. Check the numbers.
This detailed information is crucial for accurate analysis.
Let's run the tools, LDC, ODOS, copy rows.
Step 5. When encoding the bearing of the technical description, use the correct quadrant codes. Southwest, type 1. Northwest, type 2. Northeast, type 3. Southeast, type 4. Additionally, for bearings that are due south, west, north, or east, type 0 for south and north, and 90 for west and east, while also encoding the correct codes. Step 6. If cells X15 and Y15 are not 0, it means there's an error in the description that needs correction. Let's move on to the correction process.
Gather all the data, lot computations in hand. Description so detailed for the lay of the land. Narrative or tabular, titles all aligned. With bearings, distances, coordinates combined. Let's run the tools, LDC, ODOS, copy rows, fill up, let's do our best in code. Each name, each location's blessed. With precision and care, we'll ace this test.
Step 7. The first type of correction involves adjusting the second's correction along column each, enter positive or negative values from 1 to 28. Use trial and error to minimize the error in cells X15 and Y15 to 0, or the nearest value, and bring cell X8 closer to the area described.
In W6, the lot.
Step 8. For the second correction, adjust the latitude and departure values in columns X and Y, make minimal changes, and reverse the sign if necessary to stay within the bearing and distance limits from the gathered data.
Type 3, southeast, type 4, let's proceed carefully.
Step 9. The final correction involves directly adjusting the distance in column D. Again, make minimal changes to stay within the specified distance from the gathered data. Step 10. Once all corrections are applied and the errors minimized, review the data to ensure everything is accurate. This process ensures the technical description aligns with the actual landholding.
As we're told. Check cells X15, Y15, errors might appear. Corrections needed, let's get it clear. 3 ways to correct. First with column E, seconds in degrees, trial and error C. Second on X and Y, latitude and departure. Reverse the sign, make sure it won't torture. Lastly, distance in column D, minimal change. Stay close to the gathered data, no rearrange. Check the numbers, make sure they align. Precision and accuracy every time. Let's run the tools, LDC, ODOS, copy rows, fill up, let's do our best in code. Each name, each location's blessed. With precision and care, we'll ace this test. That's all for now, fellow engineers. With every step precise, we face no fears. Correcting
And that's all for now, fellow geodetic engineers. Correcting technical descriptions may seem complex, but with these steps, you can ensure accuracy and reliability. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep learning and stay precise. Subscribe, like, and follow for more technical guides and land management tips.